Are you looking for the best PC cases? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. HYTE Y60 ATX Computer Gaming Case. Overall, the HYTE Y60 is magnificent. There's a uniquely modern twist on the very boring rectangular design we see most of the time. This chassis has massive potential to be a modding favorite in the community. The HYTE Y60 is easy to work with so much space even intricate water loops are a doddle. Along with a well-thought-out design, the Y60 features a panoramic view inside, a PCIe 4 riser cable for vertical GPU mounts, and 3 120mm fans. Overall, the case is well built, aesthetically pleasing, and well thought out, and if you would like to read more, check out our full HYTE Y60 review here. Number 2. ASUS Prime AP201 33L MicroATX White Case. Good quality SFF PC cases are hard to come by, however, ASUS entered the Prime AP201 into the market and it's actually pretty good. Many ITX lovers will find this to be a little on the large size, with a 33L volume. However, it looks and feels pretty compact, with 4 quasi-filter mesh panels. The AP201 has support for a 360mm radiator, or 5 fans, and comes with tool-free side panels for easy access. The case has a 120mm fan pre-installed, but you are going to want to add to this for better thermals. The case is compact, sleek, and kind of stealthy, with room for a graphics card up to 338mm in length. This may not offer the same compact size as cases such as the Thermaltake Core V1 or Fractal Design Node 202 PC cases, but its unique size in this bracket means you can get some impressive builds in here. Take a look at our ASUS Prime AP201 review here for more information. Number 3. Fractal Design Define 7 Computer Case. Fractal Design has released some unbelievably good PC cases over the years, and this latest refresh follows the trend. The Define 7 is essentially the latest update on the brilliant R6, aimed towards those who love silent operation. The interior, color options, and tempered glass options all remain the same, with a few tweaks that make this one of the best silent PC cases I have seen in recent years. You can't hide from Fractal's build quality, it hits you in the face straight away. Furthermore, the brand constantly adds useful features whenever they spot a gap for one, and while you may not always need it, it's great to have these extra options. We see a lightly tinted glass back on these, and the interior now sports a gorgeous white coat on the tempered glass models. Of course, if you go for the non-TG version, the inside remains that gunmetal gray color. This case supports all the way up to eATX, but you will lose the use of the cutouts. For optimal use, go for ATX form factor when building in this case. Sound performance is very close to its predecessor, with the added quality of life improvements making all the difference. The cooling performance takes a hit with the case door at the front, but you are most likely grabbing one of these to cut down on system noise. The front, sides, and top all feature heavy-duty sound dampening materials to give you excellent acoustic performance. This well-constructed case comes with a modular layout, plenty of cooling support, water cooling support, and drive options. A truly amazing case and one of the best for silent operation. Number 4. Corsair iCUE 5000X RGBMid-Tower ATX PC Smart Case. Corsair's 5000 series still goes down as one of the best as far as PC cases go. While the iCUE 5000D Airflow model offers better performance, for water cooling, it has to be the slightly more extravagant 5000X. The iCUE 5000X is marvelous and will make any system build look spectacular. Of course, there are many PC cases in this roundup that you could build an impressive loop inside, however, we had to shout out the 5000X. This case is premium, so as you would expect, we have a bunch of premium features to match. Aside from 4 sides of tempered glass, the interior is spacious, modular, and can support massive amounts of cooling options. We love this case, so if you would like to read more, check out our full review of the 5000X and 5000D Airflow here. Number 5. Corsair 4000D Airflow Tempered Glass. When it comes to an affordable mid-tower case, the Corsair 4000D is a great choice to look at. With great build quality, the case is built to last and keep standing, no matter your build. especially with Corsair's ease of build, which means you'll have no issue with the 4000D. It also adds good airflow throughout. Changing up the front panel with a mesh does improve what cooling is available to the insides. As such, it stops the choking the other versions may offer. And with a clean aesthetic to it, there is a lot to look at, especially with the clean glass side panel to peer into the components. The back side is also spacious, with plenty of room for cables to fit in. And with great cable channels, cable management is easy and simple, giving you a clean overall build.